If any of the power seats have stopped working in your Genesis GV80, the first thing to check is the fuse for those seats. And I have the handy diagram here. You can pause it on this. Looks like we're looking for the 30A or for the 10A, located here. So here's your fuse panel. And it's that red, it's that green. Let's refer back to this. So we go 2 over and 3 up. I'm going to put an affiliate link in the description for this video to purchase fuses. Here is the chart, and you can see that those are the power seat fuses, that there's several of them, hence my confusion.